emotional when you ain't around, and when you fly in, boy, it's going down. My sun don't be shining.
So, hey guys, what's good? It's your girl, DeeDeeLove, and today I'm going to be cleaning this refrigerator out and putting the groceries up. Kids is up, everybody's just hanging out. Yeah, I'm about to put the groceries up, and I was going to do a grocery haul, but I'm going to just do that next time. Like, subscribe if you're new. If you've been rocking with your girl, thank you. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Like and subscribe. For a video, and I'm about to put the groceries up, and that's it. What's up? What you doing?
Oh, I thought you were up there and see where I ain't come because I had all these kids over here.
Yeah. because we're trying to eat healthier.
Except for she picked out a little bit of pork, she picked out steak. He picks that cheese, not me.
You know it's gonna be a voiceover, right?
Yep, that's what I'm talking.
Okay.
12 grams of protein, dude.
Huh?
We got 0 trans fat, 1 gram of total fat, 4 grams of carbs, 80 calories. That sounds so good in the kitchen.
You see how I did it though? I cleaned up everything when you was gone, so I thought you was gonna bring the groceries back and I start the video.
Oh.
But it needed to be cleaned anyway. Let me get my crab legs out.
You better put my turkey bacon up.
I'm about to. Hold up. Let me fix the camera back.
Turkey bacon. I'm gonna turkey jerky.
Yeah, cause you kept saying turkey bacon. I'm like, what are you talking about? Turkey bacon. I'm like, Joe, did you pick turkey bacon? And you like, yeah. I'm like, what is it? All right, let me talk to them. All right, guys, I gotta end this video. I got my crab legs in the thing, but yeah. Next time I'll show y'all everything I got. Maybe throughout the week I'll show y'all whatever I got, or I'll show you everything I got. This is not all we get. We definitely gotta go back because remember we have 6 daughters. So tomorrow we'll be back. I might vlog in the store depending on how much time we have. Cause Joe be having to go to work, so he helps me and stuff like that. He's a big help. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I love y'all so much. Bye.